मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हम मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड देख रहे थे. ठीक है. और लास्ट पीरियड में हमने देखा था हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड और द कीटोन्स. ठीक है. मतलब यहाँ जाकर उस लेक्चर पर जाकर हमारा ऑल मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन फिनिश हो चुका है. आज हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन और नॉट हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. राइट. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड वी विल सी द methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. Right. So we will see the methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. Methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. It may be aliphatic or it may be aromatic, that we will see. Okay. Of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Right. Now we will see. First method is from nitrile or you can say cyanide. Right. This is a very good method. RC triple bond N. After the acid hydrolysis of this nitrile or the cyanide, it forms a compound like this. That is form amide. I will show you. Now see. This is H2O. Right. It is nothing but the after the hydrolysis of this compound. Right. So you can say this is from nitrile. From nitrile, or you can say from cyanide. This is also can be called as cyanide also. Right. There is a water molecule. You know H and OH. There is a triple bond. तो आप इसको लिख देंगे कुछ इस तरीके से H and OH. You can write here the RC double bond N. Right. There is a H and OH. You can write here the OH and there is a H. आपने ऐड कर दिया वहां पर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. सिंपली यू आर डूइंग अ हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड. आप क्या कर रहे हैं इसका? आप इसका कर रहे हो हाइड्रोलिसिस. नो, आफ्टर द टॉटोमराइजेशन ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड, दिस इज एन इनॉल फॉर्म, यू कैन टॉटोमराइज दिस इनटू दिस कंपाउंड. ये बॉन्ड को यहां शिफ्ट करेंगे कभी आप, तो देखिए 1 2 3 4 बॉन्ड यहाँ पे है इसके. अगर जाएगा तो कितने हो जाएंगे? 5 हो जाएंगे. तो इससे पहले के 5 हो जाए, इस बॉन्ड को आप यहां लगा दीजिए, इस बॉन्ड को यहां लगा दीजिए, एच को यहां दे दीजिए. मतलब दिस कैन बी कन्वर्ट इनटू द अमाइड्स. वो किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा अमाइड्स के अंदर. दैट इज वेरी सिंपल रिएक्शन. राइट. दिस इज द अमाइड. अब एक बार अमाइड बन गया आपका, तो अमाइड कैन बी अंडरगोज इवन एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस और बेसिक और यू कैन से अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलिसिस. अगर आपने इसका एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस किया, इट फॉर्म्स अ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. एंड इफ यू डू द अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलिसिस, इट अगेन गिव्स द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, बट द साइड प्रोडक्ट्स आर द डिफरेंट. राइट. तो नाउ सी व्हाट विल हैपन. दिस इज फॉर्म अ अमाइड फ्रॉम दिस कंपाउंड. यहां पे सिर्फ आपने क्या किया, इसको जस्ट दे आर यूजिंग अ टॉटोमराइजेशन. राइट. अब you can do this with the help of the acid hydrolysis. You can write here the H3O positive. Right. What will happen? This is nothing but acidic condition. Right. You can break here from, you can use H and यहाँ पे दी जाएगा आपको क्या मिलेगा? OH. आप यहाँ पे क्या दे दीजिए? OH दे दीजिए. It forms a carboxylic acid RC double bond O and that is called as a, that is OH. ये मिल गया आपको carboxylic acid plus you will get the ammonia. आपको क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? अमोनिया मिल जाएगा. As soon as you get the smell of ammonia, it is confirmed that your carboxylic acid is formed. आपका carboxylic acid क्या हो गया? वो फॉर्म हो गया. राइट. Very simple reaction. You can just check one another. Right. That is when the nitrile or the cyanide is reacted with the water, or you can say when they undergoes the hydrolysis, they form a such compound. Right. And after the tautomerization of the such compound, it forms the amide. When amide undergoes either acid hydrolysis or the alkaline hydrolysis, it forms a corresponding carboxylic acid. It's very simple reaction, right? Now see, you can do this reaction with the help of the alkaline NaOH. आप इसकी reaction कर सकते हो alkaline NaOH के साथ में. Then at this condition you will get this compound RC double bond OH plus you will get NH4Cl. But here you need a 2 molecule of the water. आपको यहाँ पे 2 molecule लगेंगे वाटर के, है ना. यहाँ पे आपको एक ही मॉलिक्यूल लगेगा वाटर का, यू कैन राइट डाउन हियर द H2O, that is the acidic condition, in presence of acidic condition. But here you need a twice H2O in presence of alkaline condition, then you will form a ammonium chloride as a side product. It's very simple reaction. So when the cyanide or the nitrile is reacted with the water, or you can say hydrolysis reaction, it forms a amide. When amide is undergoes hydrolysis, either acidic or either alkaline, it forms a corresponding carboxylic acid. That's very simple reaction, right? Now we will see the next method. From acetic anhydride. Now see, you know the acetic anhydride formula? Yeah, you can write here like this. There is R C double bond O. You can write here O C double bond O, and you can write here the R. This R may be same, may be different, right? Whenever you are doing the hydrolysis of this amide in presence of water, right? Hydrolysis of this acetic anhydride, you can place here the H and OH. अब यहाँ से बॉन्ड ब्रेक कीजिए, यहाँ से कीजिए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जहाँ पे OH O है वहाँ पे आप H दे दीजिए, जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है वहाँ पे आप क्या दे देंगे बच्चों, OH दे दीजिए. इट फॉर्म्स अ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. क्या मिल जाएगा आपको यहाँ पे, RC double bond O OH. You get a 2 molecule of carboxylic acid, and if both are different, then you will get the 2 different carboxylic acid. This may be same or may be different. From this method you can prepare the aromatic carboxylic also, aromatic carboxylic acid also. Here this is the aliphatic, but you can prepare the aromatic. So when the acetic anhydride is reacted with the water, or you can say hydrolysis of the acetic anhydride, it gives the acetic, it gives the corresponding aliphatic acid, or you can prepare the aromatic carboxylic acid by using this method, right? Now third one method is very important method, that is called as a by using a ester. By using a ester, that is a ester, right? They are maybe same, are maybe different. If you are doing the hydrolysis of this ester in presence of either acidic condition or in presence of either basic condition, the two things is happening. First is the hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis की हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पर, right? In presence of, you can write here the water, or you can write here the acidic condition like a H3O पे positive. What will happen? There is a breaking of this bond, or you can give H here or OH here. There is a formation of the carboxylic acid, RC double bond O, that is OH, or you can write here the R and OH. Must means you will get a 1 molecule of alcohol and 1 molecule of carboxylic acid by using the ester, right? This is very simple reaction. This is nothing but the acid hydrolysis of the ester, because you are using a acidic condition in presence of water. That is called the acidic hydrolysis. You can write this reaction. आप इस रिएक्शन को लिख सकते हो ऐसा, देखिए CH3C double bond O, or you can write here the O and CH3. If you are doing the acid hydrolysis in presence of acidic condition, H3O positive, you will get 1 molecule of acetic acid and 1 molecule of methanol. So you can write here this reaction, CH3C double bond O, and you can write here the OH. You can write here the CH3OH. But what will happen when you are doing the alkaline hydrolysis of the ester? क्या होगा जब आप क्या करेंगे, इसका अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे, दैट यू विल सी, राइट? इट्स वेरी सिंपल रिएक्शन. So you can understand this reaction because we are doing a hydrolysis of the acetic anhydride, right? But while we are doing the hydrolysis of the ester, there are 2 conditions. One, you can do the acid hydrolysis, or one you can do the alkaline hydrolysis. So I am doing the alkaline hydrolysis of the ester. That is called as the alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Hydrolysis of ester. Now see what will happen if you will do the alkaline hydrolysis. I am writing again here the ester molecule CH3C double bond O, or you can write OCH3. I am writing a normal ester, right? Now what will happen when you are doing the alkaline hydrolysis? That is called as the NaOH, right? If you are doing the alkaline hydrolysis, if you are doing the alkaline hydrolysis, then see what will happen. Now see this. This is a basic condition, that is a base. So what will happen? This lone pair will be attract to this, or you can form, there is a sodium salt of this compound, or you can write here like this, matlab you can write CH3 C triple bond double bond O negative and Na positive. You will get a sodium salt of acetate. Here you will get a salt of acetate. You can say it is a sodium salt of acetate. Sodium salt of acetate. While when this forms a sodium salt of acetate, after addition of the small amount of acid to this compound, there is immediate formation of the acid molecule, right? So in this reaction you can add the HCl, or you can write here the H3O positive. What will happen? This OH will be captured this hydrogen, and this Cl will be from Na side. So there is a formation of this compound, that is called as CH3OH plus there is a formation of the NaCl. So whenever you are doing the alkaline hydrolysis of the ester, there is a first formation of the sodium salt of acetate, and when you add the acid in that particular compound, that is a soluble salt, right? Then there is a formation of the carboxylic acid plus corresponding salt, right? That is called as the alkaline hydrolysis reaction of the ester. While doing the acid hydrolysis, that's very simple reaction. You will get a one molecule of the acid and one molecule of the alcohol. But in case you will get this compound, that is called a soluble sodium salt of the acetate. That reaction is called as a saponification reaction, and that is used to formation of the soap. इस reaction का ही इस्तेमाल किया था while we are making a soap. जब कभी भी आप higher fatty acid ले लीजिए that contain more than 12 carbon atom, in presence of this basic condition, it forms a sodium salt of acetate that contain more than 12 carbon atom, that is called as a soap. उसी को कहा जाता है क्या? soap. And that's why this reaction is called as a saponification reaction, right? It's very simple reaction, right? Now there is a one more important method that is called as a in presence of Grignard reagent, or in presence of dry carbon dioxide, you will form a acetic acid, or you will form a corresponding acid. I will write this reaction from dry ice. From dry ice, that is nothing but the solid carbon dioxide, CO, right? What will happen in presence of Grignard reagent, right? So Grignard reagent is what? RMgX in presence of C triple bond O, or you can write here the C double bond O double bond, that is called a solid carbon dioxide. What will happen? Now see this. C single bond O, that is double bond O, you can write here like this. There is a breaking of this bond from this side, because यहाँ पे नेगेटिव आएगा, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव आएगा, तो आप R को यहाँ दे दीजिए, और MgX will be here. There is a formation of the complex, right? And when you are doing the hydrolysis of this complex in presence of water, what will happen? There is a OH and there is a H and there is a OH. What will form? That is called as the RCOH double bond O. You can write here the RC double bond O, and that is OH. Plus क्या मिल जाएगा आपको? MgX plus OH. Right? You can write MgX plus OH. ये मिल गया आपको, right? So this is one more method. That is a very important method, because whenever you are doing a reaction between the Grignard reagent and the dry ice, it forms a corresponding compound which is an unstable compound, which immediately break up when you add a water molecule to form a corresponding carboxylic acid. That's very simple reaction. There is a one more important method is remaining, that is called as a from alkyl benzene. So by using a alkyl benzene, you can form a aromatic carboxylic acid, right? There is a mechanism required for this reaction. So we will stop here for today's lecture. In the upcoming lecture, we will see that only one method, and then we will move for the physical and chemical properties of the carboxylic acid, or you can say physical and chemical properties of the aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, and then we will move for the reaction, and then finally we will move for the uses, and then we will finish this chapter, right? तो हमने आज क्या क्या देखा बच्चों? हमने आज देखा कि हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. फर्स्ट मेथड आपका कौन सा था? फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल, जहां आपने प्रिपेयर किया था फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल से आपने अमाइड प्रिपेयर किया था, अमाइड का आपने आइदर एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस और आइदर अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलिसिस, देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द करस्पॉन्डिंग कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। दूसरा मेथड कौन सा था आपका, बाय यूजिंग एसिटिक अनहाइड्राइड। तीसरा था आपका बाय यूजिंग ईस्टर। तो ईस्टर में भी दो कंडीशन थी बच्चों आपकी, है ना, एक था आपका एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस और दूसरा था आपका अल्कलाइन हाइड्रोलिसिस। तो एसिड की कंडीशन में आपको इमीडिएटली क्या मिल जाएगा, व्हाट दैट इज अल्कोहल एंड एसिड। But in case of the alkaline hydrolysis, there is a formation of the soluble sodium salt of acetate, which after the addition of the acidic acid, it forms a corresponding carboxylic acid, right? And that reaction is called as a saccharification reaction. And last but not the least method is nothing but the from dry ice in the presence of Grignard reagent, there is a formation of the carboxylic acid. That's all for the today's lecture. Thank you very much.